Rajeshwari.
And yes, we are back with a super fun challenge today. That is What's in My Mouth challenge.
So yeah, this one is really fun because I get to feed anything to Cherry and she can't say no.
But so do I, right?
Yeah, well, yeah.
So the trick here is that she's gonna blindfold me and I have to guess what she's feeding me. For example, if she's feeding me an apple, I have to guess that. But we're not feeding each other apples. So, yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be much more interesting than that. Let's go for it.
Start! Are you ready, Rajeshwari?
Not really, because I don't trust you. You might just feed me anything.
Initially, I was gonna feed you like, mustard and all. But then I decided that I will feed you some good items.
Oh God.
Wait for it.
Waiting. Are you done, Cherry?
Yes. Let's see. Let's see.
Oh God. This is like more nerve-wracking than giving exams also.
Ah.
What is this? What is this?
You have to tell me, RJ. I can't tell you.
Cherry, pass me the tissue.
How's it otherwise?
It's some kind of like a sweet thing. I think it's Nutella, but it's mixed with something.
Oh, what?
It's like biscuit mixed with Nutella. Is it like Choco Pie or something? I used to love Choco Pie.
Choco pie?
Can't
Really?
be Choco Pie. Or it's like chocolate.
Okay, fine. You're like right that it's something to do with chocolate, but you're not able to guess.
It's some chocolate. Like, I'm sure it's some chocolate.
So have you given up?
Because
Because
is it some... I don't know. What is it?
it's chocolate momos.
Ew! Ew. Are you serious? Ew, I've never had chocolate momo in my life. First time.
Let's give her something nice now.
I hope it's nice. Like, I can hear it's something to do with namkeen.
Yeah. You're right.
I'm very bad with the names, like precise names.
You're right, RJ. It's namkeen.
You make it sound like some mystery.
This is easy. हाँ करो. ऊपर. Now this is so easy. You have to guess the name.
I think it's Pass Pass. Is it correct?
Yeah.
So I've got one right, guys.
Let's see what to give her next. I think I should give her this. I feel. Oh, maybe this is easy. Oh, okay. Let's give her this. Ah.
This is curd. It's like it's some pineapple flavor, I think. I don't know what this is. It's like pineapple flavored something, like curd or something, but it's not curd. I've had this before. I just can't remember the name right now. Okay, it's something to do with pineapple. You have to help me out here, Cherry. It's something to do with pineapple.
No.
Mango.
Wait. Listen. You can't name all the fruits and like mango, pineapple, banana, lychee, whatever you wanna say. You can't do that. Just tell me whether you know or not.
Oh, I don't know what this is.
It's basically called mango shot.
It's still cream, huh? The shot is still cream.
So you've got 1 out of 3.
Oh, shit.
Yes. Next I'm gonna give her this.
Cherry, you have like really difficult stuff. Mine are like so easy.
It's just about the taste. Oh, is it that bad?
There's some chaat. It's some tikki chaat or something. Aloo chaat, I think. In it, but there's aloo.
See, I can help you. You like this. Like you eat this almost every week.
What?
Yeah.
I eat this every week.
Yeah.
I don't eat chaat every week for sure. But there is imli ki chutney in it and there is some aloo thing in it.
Should I give you one more bite? Like one more spoon of...
Okay. I don't know if that's allowed. It's definitely aloo. And it's some chaat thingy, but I don't eat chaat every week, but it's something aloo and imli ki chutney and something like that.
So what do you want to name it?
Aloo chaat. I'm going to call it aloo chaat.
You are...
Is it ganji? Is it shakkar kandi? Whatever.
You are like really excited, but you can't see whether I'm excited or not. So just give me your final answer, then only I'll say.
I think it's shakkar kandi with chutney, some chutney, like masala and chutney.
Yeah, guys, she is right. It's sweet potato with imli ki chutney.
Yay!
Okay, next we have is this. So this one is very easy, Rajeshwari. You just have to guess the flavor. Okay.
Okay.
Not getting any more. Just saying.
Cornito. It's pretty bland, like it's a normal flavor. Like
No, it's not.
tikka masala. Oh no. It's some herb thing. Some herb flavored cornito.
Yeah, you're right. I don't think so you'll be able to guess this.
Oh.
I don't think so. So,
What is next?
take a bite. Take a bite?
Okay. Definitely some roll. Like a veg kathi roll or something. Very yummy, huh? I can like sense that it's Chinese like flavors. Chinese kathi roll. If that exists. So I possibly can't tell you if what the filling is.
So should I give you one more bite?
Yeah, give me the andar ka bite. Where is it?
Yeah. She'll take such a big bite. Really. So this was your last chance. I've given you enough chances to try the food.
I really think it's noodle kathi roll.
Done?
Yeah.
Noodle kathi roll. No, it's not.
What is it?
It's momo kathi roll. If you could feel the maida and you still couldn't guess.
So I just thought it's the aage ka part, like where there's too much maida in the front.
No, there's this crispy thing, then there's the momo, and then there's the noodle. So obviously you could only feel noodles. There's a straw, yeah. Why are you doing
Where is it?
Yeah. बस मतलब तुम
Ew! Ew! This is that really bad drink that you have in your childhood and then you stop drinking it because you realize how bad it is. It's like magic pops mixed in water. It's some juice. I can't like guess the flavor. Okay, I don't know, but I can like tell that's bad. What is it?
So it's watermelon bubblegum juice. Okay, you're pretty much done. It's 4 out of 7.
Oh no, that's pretty bad, guys.
It's not that bad. So.
You are gonna guess all 7, trust me. Oh god. Oh god.
Okay, my turn. So you are 4 out of 7.
Wait, I'm gonna fix it once. So let's see what we've got for Cherry here. Some interesting item.
I'm excited. I hope you're not feeding me with like chocolate sauce, mustard sauce or something like weird stuff.
That's not weird. That's completely normal.
But I can't have like mustard sauce aisi, na?
Okay, guys. Cherry, are you ready?
I can smell it. I can smell bread.
Let's make her have this first, guys.
Good or bad? I
Ah.
can smell something really bad.
Cherry, you're still in shock. Do you want tissue?
Ah.
Do you want tissue? Yeah.
It's it feels like that Domino's oregano.
So what is it? Oregano?
Mm.
Yeah, guys, it's right. It's oregano.
Mm.
Are you ready for it?
Yeah.
Ah. Ah!
Ah!
It's very easy to guess.
Yeah, it's candy floss.
Yeah, guys, she's guessed it. But I'm like having fun making her eat all this.
Yay! 2 out of 2.
Okay, guys, this is it.
I hope it's not bad.
Ah. Open your mouth,
I'm
Ari.
scared.
Why aren't you opening your mouth?
I'm scared.
Just shut up. Open your mouth. Yeah.
So bad.
You like this? How is it bad?
It's kacha. But it had like olives or like jalapenos, some beetroot with some flavor.
Wrong. It's Chiku.
Chiku.
Yes.
I love Chiku.
Exactly my point. You love Chiku.
But it was kacha Chiku.
I did not intend to get kacha Chiku. I actually don't know how to buy Chikus.
Good or bad?
It's good. Everything is good on the table. Like, it's not bad stuff. But yeah. It has a straw here. Have it? कितना पियोगी यार मतलब
I know. It's Red Bull.
Oh no. Yeah.
Yes.
Not
It's
bad.
3 out of 4.
This one is your favorite, like absolute favorite. So you have to guess.
Whenever
this.
you say this, I'm like, okay.
No, it's actually your favorite.
It's definitely not.
It's actually your favorite. Okay, open your mouth big. Ah. Why are you running away from me? Can you just open your mouth?
Wow.
Okay, Cherry. So, what do you think it is?
You know, I hate sushi. Yes.
But what flavor is it?
It had cheese.
Okay.
It had some kind of vegetable, but I'm not too sure what was it.
तुम सोच लो.
हाँ ठीक है.
Corn and cheese? No, it's just an all-veg sushi. Okay, guys. So the score is 3 out of 5 right now, which is not bad, Cherry.
Yeah.
Okay, this one is very easy, but again, you're gonna hate me for it. What is she doing?
Really bad, huh, Rajeshwari?
It's just fun ingredients.
I don't know what is it.
It's cinnamon. No, the things you like, you couldn't guess them. See, not too much.
What is it? It's sauce. Is it like hot and sour sauce?
Well, it's not hot and sour. It's chili sauce. मतलब ये भी you couldn't guess. So Cherry, that is 3 on 7.
Yeah, it's bad.
With these ingredients, you've got 3 on 7. Very bad.
Clearly, Ajay, you have given me such bad ingredients. Shows how much you love me.
Okay, relax, Cherry. It was just a challenge, like you said. Don't get so sentimental.
Yeah, but yes, you won.
Yeah. So this is like my second win after
Yeah.
so many days.
So guys, this was it for today's video. If you like this video, you know the drill. You have to like, comment, share and subscribe to PopXO TV. For more queries, download the PopXO app.
And guys, head over to PopXO Yum. We're the ones who make all the food videos. So if you guys have any requests for more food recipes or any other fun challenges, do let us know in the comment section below.
And we'll see you super soon.
Bye.
Bye.